Hello everyone, this is Allison and welcome back. Hello everyone, this is Allison and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing my back to school makeup routine. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and follow my social media accounts. For a little information, I am a trans woman and I am proud. So if you are interested on how I do my school makeup routine, then please keep on watching. So before I start, I like to make my hair by applying these hair velcro patches first para hindi na siya mapupunta sa face ko while I apply my makeup. I also like to prepare my face and lips so that it gets protection from the sun and from the makeup. First, I'll be applying my Pond's Age Defense Multi-Illuminating Cream all over my face. I like to get an amount and then put some dot first and then spread it in circular motion and sideways. I decided to wear some lashes because I have normal tired eyes and I felt like I can explain the steps if I put some. But yeah, as you notice, my right eyelash isn't perfectly in place. So just please don't mind it, and also the camera is mirrored, so I'm sorry for that. Don't forget your neck. Second, I'll be applying my EOS or Evolution of Smooth Lip Balm on my lips so it prevents from chapping. For my foundation, I'll be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade of 112 Natural Ivory. It is a perfect foundation for me since most of the time I am at the university all day. I know it's kind of white for me as of the moment, but when it oxidizes, it actually matches my face. I am so sorry for the mirror. I tried my best to hide it in the camera or edit it out. If you guys feel uneasy, just focus on my face. I like to put some on my neck too. Since I felt uneasy with the Velcro hair patches, I decided to wear this cute hairband. I'll be using my Bilena Banana Luxury Powder and I'll just bake my under eye area.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I listened and all about my life. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
For my eyebrows, I'll be using my Maybelline FashionBrow in the shade of dark brown. I like to brush the hair first and then follow the shape of my brow starting in the inner area. I don't want it to be so precise and scripted since I am not attending an event. I like to go for a more fresh look.
I was high and I was low.
Then I'll draw the arc for the upper brow and then brush the hair and finally fill it more to make it natural.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go.
I'll do the other brow off cam and voila!
Go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along.
So next I'll be using my Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara and apply it on my brows. I know what you're thinking. Why will I apply mascara on my brows? I actually learned the trick months ago and it really helps the hair to keep in place. Like what I said, I don't want it to look so scripted, but I want it to look more clean. Next, I'll be using my MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation and apply it all over my face.
It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong. Here I am.
For my eyes, I'll be using my Soph X Makeup Revolution palette in the shade of Cookie Dough. For my school look, I like to do more of an earthy tone so my eyes will lift up and add more life to it.
You should go back home.
I just spread it all over my eyelid and then do the same on the other.
Been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
My lashes is so disturbing. I know. Sorry. For my eyeliner, I'll be using my Careline Grab Ink Liner. I'll just put it on my tight line so it appears more bigger and livelier.
I was high and I was low, moved through mountains, rain and snow, but I felt that I was further from the truth. In one dark and stormy night, rolling thunder, flashing light, heard a whisper in the night, and it said, you should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go.
Next, I'll be using my eyelash curler.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
I'll be using my Revlon Super Length Mascara and apply it all over my eyelashes, starting from the root to the end. And then, pakit muna sa cam. Next, I'll be using my Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara again for my eyelashes and my lower lashes.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
And then emote again. Yes, ang arte.
Allison and all about my love.
Next, I'll be using my E.L.F Eyebrow Kit for contouring. I actually don't do contouring for school, but for days when I feel bloated, I like to add little on my face.
Go back home, go. Spin it all alone. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.
For the blush, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade of Coral. I like it to put all over my cheeks because I am pale without it. This is my favorite part. I actually bring it to retouch when I go to school.
I was high and I was low, moved through mountains, rain and snow, but I felt that I was further from the truth. In one dark and stormy night.
So for the highlighter, I'll be using my Beauty Glazed highlight powder in the shade of French Vanilla. It's actually fun adding highlights to my upper cheeks, under the brows, some parts of my forehead, my nose, and my cupid bow.
You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Spin it all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong. You should go back.
After that, I like to do a little aura. Yes, kasama yan sa routine.
You should go back home, go back.
And for my lips, I'll be using my Bilena Lip and Cheek Stain in the shade of Toast of New York. I'll just add a little amount and put it on my finger and then add some on the center and then dab it to make it more natural. Did I explain it well? Well, you get it. And then for the last part, a little aura, and then and that's it. This is my back to school makeup look. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you like it. If you like it, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. What do you guys want me to do next? Please comment down below. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye!